Hi learners, as of now I introduced you with some flavors of JavaScript. Now let's get into the main course, that is JavaScript to make the pages dynamic. See, these are HTML page. Okay, if we run that, we'll get something. Let's say uh, Tony. In a web view, it will be like this, right? So what if we want some tags from this HTML and we want to modify that? See, I'll open one page, IMDb. If we click on view page source, we came to know the whole HTML code, what they use, CSS or any Angular or React they used like this. So we want some tags, like let's say we want this title, okay, and we want to modify that. So for that, there is some access methods, right? From JavaScript, there should be some access methods. In this video, we are going to learn that. Okay. In JavaScript, like when it is compiled, there is one window object will be created at the beginning itself, as I told. There is a window object gets created. After that, we have three different types of child under this window. Those are DOM, that is document object model, and BOM, browser object model. I think you didn't heard about this before. Then another one is just core concepts of Java. Okay. Actually, these are like child nodes. Okay. Let's see what are those, like what is DOM and BOM and core. Actually, this core is like ECMAScript. There is no that much importance to access. Then I'll use this picture. See, within a window, there is document, and these are BOM, browser object model. See, actually, DOM means document object model. Whole document, whole HTML code will be represented as a tree where everything is considered as an object. Okay, I'll be explaining that later. Then these are location, navigation, screen, and history or browser object model. As name tells, it's a browser related information. Okay, using these objects, we can access the browser related information. Let's say we have a location object. Okay, we can get the location. Location of what? Location of a window. Okay, or document, location of a document. Then navigation. Using this object, we can query the information of the browser. And screen, using this we can get some like screen information, like on which screen the window or the browser is operating, and the history stack, we can get those informations like browser history. So that's about BOM. And DOM, that's a document object model. I'll quickly show what is those DOM and BOM. See, if I document is an object, so I'm going to print that. See, in a document, we have a whole code HTML, from HTML beginning to HTML end. So whole code will be there. Okay. And console dot. Before that, I'll show this window. Window is also an object, right? It's a like parent one. See, in window we have alert method, A to B, blur. So many methods are there. We can use this to make the pages dynamic. I'll explain this method in further videos. Then we have console dot log of. As I said, there is a location object, right? As a part of BOM. See, location, the href reference, and the origin of this tab. This is a new tab page, right? See name, new tab. I inspected that page. So what is the origin? What is the link for that? Whole information will be in a location object, like browser information. Yeah, that's about DOM, BOM, and ECMAScript, or the core concepts of Java. Further, I'm going to explain in brief about the document one, because using that we are doing so much of operations in JavaScript rather than this BOM and all. Yeah, that's about this video. I'll be explaining document object model in detail in further videos. Okay, if you guys like this video, please give a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in a comment section. Thank you.